I did.
It's not on. Alright. Get a good view down here. Do you see what I'm unscrewing here?
No. He is unscrewing.
No one else can see what I'm unscrewing if you can't.
Screws.
Xander, don't turn that so far up. It's too close. Are you actually recording?
Yes.
No, it looks more like you're pushing buttons and
Then
confusing the viewers. Alright, go ahead. Xander, nobody wants to see my ceiling.
I do.
Yes, well, not everybody who's watching this cares about my ceiling. Xander,
No.
pointed at what we're doing. It's not a good camera person if no one knows what I'm doing because you pointed the camera all 6 ways sideways. Alright. Alright, give me that.
Okay.